Running a business. Facing challenges managing your inventory, supply chain, and day-to-day operations? Introducing Dynamics 365 Business Central, an all-in-one business management solution tailored for small and medium-sized enterprises. Imagine streamlining operations, managing finances, and enhancing customer relationships, all with the power of the cloud. Affordable and scalable, Business Central grows with you. It integrates seamlessly with Power BI for data-driven decisions and real-time reporting. Say goodbye to mundane tasks. Automation tools boost productivity, freeing up your team for what matters most. And the best part? It connects effortlessly with Microsoft tools you already love, like Teams, Outlook, and Excel. With an intuitive interface, cloud-based accessibility, and robust security, Business Central simplifies your business management, no matter where you are. Business Central empowers you to track inventory in real time, manage orders, and stay connected with your customers, all from one platform. Ready to revolutionize your business? Try Dynamics 365 Business Central today and transform the way you work. Empower your business with the ultimate all-in-one solution designed specifically for small and medium-sized enterprises.